Hi friends, smartphones have become a necessary component in our day-to-day life. But recently, we have started using our smartphones more intensively. For example, students attending online classes, employees working from home, and even people binge-watching web series and playing multiplayer games online. We have started using our smartphones more intensively nowadays, and this puts a lot of pressure on your smartphones. Now, in this video, I'll share with you some tips and tricks that I know to take care of your smartphone. Now let's start with the basic things. Always purchase a phone cover for your smartphone. I would recommend a normal case or a premium quality jelly case. Hard cases do little to protect your phone. Now most phones these days ship with a jelly case in box, so better use that one. Most smartphones have a plastic screen protector out of the box to keep the screen from scratches. But it's always better to use a high quality tempered glass for your phone. So even if you accidentally drop your phone, your screen always stays safe. It's better to be safe than sorry. Clean your phone. Just like any device that gets dirty while using, smartphones tend to gather junk files in the form of cache files while using various apps. These cache files tend to fill up the phone's internal memory and slow your device considerably. Some phones come with an inbuilt cleaner which can be used to clean cache files. Well, some don't, but I wouldn't recommend any other application to clean cache files other than Files by Google. Now, fun fact, I found this app trying to find an alternative to share files from one phone to another phone. Since applications like ShareIt and Xender are not available in the Google Play Store nowadays, Files by Google does the job for you. Now, when it comes to charging, it's a very big area on its own, so it needs a separate video. Now, tell me in the comment section if I should make a video about smartphone batteries and how to charge them. So, to keep it short, don't charge your phone overnight. I'm sorry, that might be an understatement. Never charge your phone overnight. Also, try not to charge your phone to 100% every time you plug it in. So, stop charging when it's 80% or maximum 90% because charging your phone battery to 100% every time you plug it in degrades your battery life. Use the sticky method. That is, if you have an application that you don't use even once in a week or twice in a week, uninstall it. Keep your phone clean that way. You can always reinstall it when you need them. Switch off your phone for 1 minute and switch it on back every once in a week. Now, this is like refreshing your phone as it cleans up all the background app and improves your battery life too. Finally, know your phone. Most people don't know the limits of their phone, and when pushed to its limits, the phone starts to give up. So, know your phone, like battery size of your phone, the display type, camera, etc. These are some of the tips that will help you take care of your smartphones during these difficult times. I hope you're all doing fine. That's it for this video, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.